Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to Sri Hari Raghavendra Academy. In today's class, we will be learning how to calculate future value when interest is compounded for multiple times in the same year. In the previous class, we learned about how to calculate future value when interest is compounded only once in a year. But in today's class, we'll be learning how to calculate future value when interest is compounded multiple times in the same year. Before we begin the class, let us start the class with a prayer. Gnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatikakrutim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Ayagrivam Upasmahe Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmira Puravasini Vidyarambham Karishyami Siddhir Me Sada. By taking the divine blessings of Ayagriva Swami and Saraswati Devi, let's start today's class. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the like button to our videos. And please do share it among your friends as well. So now let me try and make you understand what is interest compounding for multiple times in the same year. Say for example, if you do invest in the any of the investment proposal, that investment will give you interest and that interest will be for year. Say for example, if you invest your money in the fixed deposit at rate of 8%, then bank will credit you interest after 1 year, right? After 1 year. What does it mean here now? After 1 year, the 8% of interest will be credited by bank. So in a period of 1 year, how many times interest got credited? Only one time. That is called as per annum interest earned. There are certain investments where interest gets credited twice in 1 year. Okay, that is called as biannual interest gained, or for every quarter the interest can be credited. So that is also a possibility. So when interest is getting compounded, in the first case, my interest got compounded only one time. In the second case, twice. In the third case, every quarter means for an year it will be four times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So in a year, four times your interest gets compounded. So in the last class, we learned this case when interest gets compounded only once in a year. But today's class we are learning if interest gets compounded multiple times in the same year, how do we have to calculate the future value? So getting my point. So today I'll be teaching you this clause. If interest is getting compounded multiple times in the same year, then how do we have to calculate the future value? Here I'll just erase all these things and we will start. We have a formula to calculate this. I'll be writing that formula and explaining you all. After that, we can start with solving this problem. Okay. Yeah. Now, how do we, for that, we have a formula, guys. Future value is equal to present value 1 plus I divided by m into n. So, what is FV? FV stands for future value. P stands for present value of money, I stands for interest rate, and M stands for number of times the interest is getting compounded, and N stands for number of year. I will write here. PV stands for what is the present value of money that you are investing. Present value of money. I stands for interest. We can also represent it using I, or this can also be written as R, interest earned. N stands for number of years. M stands for number of times interest gets compounded. Now we will analyze this problem. What is the present value of money? If calculate a future value of sum of 1000. So as of today, our present value of money is 1000, which we are investing. Um, I think interest is not given. I will add here quarterly at 10% interest. Let us assume it as 10% interest. Calculate future sum of rupees 1000 if invested for 1 year with compounding period of semi-annually and quarterly at 10% interest. So interest is 10%. I will treat it as 0.10. What is the number of year for which we are making investment? 1 year. Then how many number of times that the interest gets compounded? In the case of semi-annually, interest gets compounded for twice. In the case of quarterly, interest gets compounded for 4 times. Okay. Now we will apply the formula and we will do the problem. So future value is equal to what is the present value? 1000 plus what is interest earned? 0.10 divided by what is m? Number of times the interest gets compounded. So for I will use the case called semi-annually now. Okay. I am calculating it for semi-annually. So semi-annually, how many number of times interest gets compounded? 2 times. Now what is m now? M is 2 into what is n? 1. So therefore, it should be 1001 plus what is 0.10 divided by 2? It is 0.05. 2 ones are 2 equals 1000. 1 plus 0.05 will become 1.05 to the power of 2. Therefore, 1000 rupees. What is 1.05 to the power of 2 will be 1.1025. Therefore, 1000 into, though my future value is equal to 1102.50 rupees. This is for semi-annually students. Okay. Now, if I want to calculate it for, I'll just do it here. Where do I do? Yeah, I'll just try and do it here itself. I'll just forward this from. Yeah. Formula again remains the same. What is the formula? Future value is equal to present value 1 plus I divided by m into n. Now I am doing this problem for quarterly. Quarterly means 4 times interest gets compounded. How? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are the months. Quarterly means for every 3 months. For every 3 months, how many times? 1 time, second time, 3 times, 4 times. So my quarterly means 4 times. So what was my present value? 1000 rupees. 1 plus what was the interest rate that I was earning there? My interest rate is 10%. That is 0.10. How many number of m stands for how many number of times interest is getting compounded? 4 times. Then what is m? 4 into 1. N stands for number of years. Therefore, future value is equal to 1001 plus what is 0.10 divided by 4 will become 0.025. 4 multiplied by 1 will be power of 4. So future value is equal to 1000 rupees. 1 plus 0.025 will become 1.025 to the power of 4. So future value is equal to 1000 rupees. 1 plus 0, it will be like 1.025 to the power of 4 will be 1.1038. So future value is equal to 1000 into multiplied by this will be 1000 103.8 rupees. So this is how we calculated the future value for for when interest compounded semi-annually, it will be 1,102.50. When interest is compounded for 4 times in a year, that will be 1,103.8 rupees. Now I have one more problem here. Calculate the future sum of rupees 5,000 for if it is invested for 2 years with an interest rate compounded at semi-annually and quarterly. Okay, now we will just try and do this problem also. So what is the formula, guys? First, let me help you out in writing the formula. Formula is very simple. Future value is equal to present value 1 plus I m divided by m into n. Firstly, we will identify what is present value 5,000. What is n? N stands for number of years. What is this? 2 years. What is m? Stands for number of times that the interest getting compounded. So if it is annually, 2 times, quarterly, 4 times. What is the interest rate? 0.12. Now I will have two cases here. I will divide this. Just not dividing. Wait, what I do it. Firstly, we will do it for semi-annually. Therefore, what was my present value? 5,000. 1 plus what is the interest rate? 0.12. How many number of times interest gets compounded? 2 times. What is m now? 2 into what is number of years? 2 years. So therefore, it will be 5,000 1 plus what is 0.12 divided by 2 will be, I'll just check it how. 0.12 divided by 2 will be 0.06 to the power of 4 equals 5,000 will be 1.06 to the power of 4. So 5,000 1,006 to the power of 4 will be 5,000 1.26 to, so therefore 5,000 into 1.262 will be 6,310 will be the future value if it is semi-annually, students. So what if it is been for quarterly? We will write it here only. So it will be like this. 5,000 equals 5,000. We will draw just one line here. Equal 5,000 1 plus 0.12 divided by how many number of times interest is compounded? 4 times. So it will be 4 into 2. 4 stands for m. This is m and this is n. N stands for number of year equals 5,001 plus 0.12 divided by 4 will be how much? 0.12 divided by 4 will be 0.03. 4 2s are 8 equals 5,000 1.03 to the power of 8 equals 5,000 1.266. Therefore, future value is equal to, sorry, 6,333.8 85. So when the interest is compounded semi-annually, your future value will be this. When interest is compounded for quarterly, your future value is 6,333 rupees. So this is how we need to calculate when future value is given when interest rate is compounded for multiple times in the same year. I hope you got the problem. If you have liked the video, please subscribe to the channel and share it among your friends also. Thank you. Have a nice day.